there later. Dadali po muna namin kayo sa may booking area sa Animal City. And then after that, we're going to the South City and doon na po sa horseback and Carabao. Then sa may zipline area po.
Mami, can I pet the horse?
Ano?
Can I pet the horse?
Picture ka sa kanya, smile ka sa kanya.
Bilang ka dito eh. Mag-picture kayo ni ano.
Yung mukha lang niya, bago kong papaluin, magagalit yung sa'yo.
It's so fluffy out there. It's a playground.
Sit down position. Sit position. Sit position, Wawoy.
Ready? Go!
Down here pa, okay? Down your hands, down your hands. Wait, wait.
Dahil nailit ang kamay ba? Pwede lang ako sa doon dito.
Hawak mabuti, ate, ha?
One more step, one more step. One more step. Very good. Oh, you go down, you go down. It's okay, relax lang natin. Relax lang, relax lang, relax, relax. Sit down up here, sit down, sit down. Okay, hold na, hold na. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go! Go! Dali! Kaya mo yan!
Ayan naman, try mo. Just for a second.
Yan! Sige, padalian mo!
Oh,
Ay, wag kayo magsalubong dito. Dito ka mag-start, baby. Baka hindi, ano, para hindi kayo mahirapan later. Isang, ano lang.
sa likod ko.
Doon ka sa likod.
Sa kanya.
Yan. Oo.
Sige, tayo. Try mo.
Ano, kaya pa?
It's hard to reach.
Sige, kaya mo yan. Ninja ka, ninja.
Go on one side.
Yes! Konti na lang, boy. Yon! Konti ba? Ayun na. Last na, last na. Yes! 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 Go! Go! Ashton!
I can't go any farther. Honey, I have a problem.
Ah. Eh di pababa ka ulit. Backwards.
Hawak ko sa ano.
Yan.
But hindi sa stern. Good job, Samuel.
Good job, Samuel. Yan, pababa na si Samuel. Good job.
Mommy, I can't take it anymore.
Good job, Samuel.
You face your fears!
Look at Samuel.
Okay ka pa, ate?
Buti hindi ka nag-transform as dinosaur.
Go! Bye-bye!
See you next year! See ya, you're a cowboy.
This also.
See ya.
Wait.
Gosh. The horse ride was fun.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Tingin dito, nak.
Open that up. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. I want to see your beauty.
Ayun, ang kalabaw. Maligo.